Everybody wants to change their lives with big goals. But the truth is, the life only changes through the small habits you repeat every single day. If you're someone who cares about nutrition, real health, building wealth, and keeping your family life balanced, this is the right channel for you. Subscribe and follow. I share everything I learned in the simplest way possible. Let's jump in. Habit number 1, the 2 minutes morning reset. Your morning decides how your mind behaves for the rest of the day. Just 2 minutes of no phone, one glass of water in the early morning, one intention, be grateful for your life. Do a few seconds of meditations. It's simple but powerful. Your morning don't need perfection. They just need peace. Habit number 2, protein first for energy. Most people think they are tired because of age. No, they are tired because they are underfueled. Protein keeps your mood, energy, and craving stable throughout the day. So just add one good protein source to every meal. You don't need a big diet change, just better balance. Habit number 3, strength training 3 days a week. Strength training isn't about looking fit, it's about feeling alive. When your muscles get stronger, your whole life gets easier. 3 simple sessions a week can change your posture, energy, and also confidence. Habit number 4, daily money awareness. Money peace comes from clarity, not income. When you track your money daily, you stop living in fear or confusion. It's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. So, even $5 saved or invested daily, which compounds into something big. Habit number 5, fix your digestion first. If your stomach is not right, your mood, sleep, focus, everything become harder. Small changes like warm water and early dinner makes a huge difference. Digestion is the root of your energy. Treat it with respect. Habit number 6, one learning habit every day. Learning 10 minutes a day changes your whole mindset over a year. Skills compound exactly like money. So knowledge makes life smoother, not harder. So read every single day. Habit number 7, teach kids real life skills early. Kids learn confidence by doing, not by being protected. Teach them small responsibilities. It builds leadership. When kids understand money early, they grow into strong adults. Don't try to change everything tomorrow. Just pick one small habit and repeat it every single day. Small habits build big lives. Your future self will thank you and your family will feel the difference. Stay tuned, subscribe and follow. Thank you.